Yes. It's about, I believe this is 3 feet. It's kind of a short or dwarf kumquat. And this is the second bloom. Last year it bloomed, but I got only 5 kumquats fruits. Yes, my friend. And here's my other vegetables here. And look at this. Yeah, this dwarf tomatoes didn't give us a lot of fruits. This is the flowers of the onions. Let's go over here, my friend. The tomato is still giving us fruits. I got 2 pieces of tomato, the small one, the cherry, and this is, so kumpleto na tayo para magsigang. May kamatis, may chili for sinigang. Let's check these eggplants here. And this is the American eggplant, and it's very slow in growing. It takes a while, my friend, compared with the Japanese eggplants. So I'm going to put this in my pocket here. I do not have my basket. I would like, and then this is the eggplant here, I think. Let me see if I could get this. Too small. Oh, look at this. This is the American eggplant. It's variegated in color. Looks nice, my friend. This is the Japanese one here. Look at my sunflowers. It wilted. So it's kind of gloomy today. But the time is, it's only 7 o'clock, and then in the morning, this is the tiger lily here, and the bloom is already down. Oh my God, this is amazing, my friend. Unbelievable. The malunggay. Oh my God, what is that? The moringa. The moringa, my friend, it gives us leaves. Look at the leaves. Wow. It is growing, my friend. Someone gave this to us. It came from LA. They already give us twice. And the first set, it didn't grow. The reason why, my husband put it in one place, and then after that, he transferred it. He transferred 3 times, and this is the second one. And finally, it is growing. See, look at the leaves. Oh my God, I hope the winter will not kill it. Yeah. See, look at the leaves. Oh my God, soon I can get the leaves na to have my tinola, for my tinola. Yes, and there's the other one here. And this is the myrtle. And this one here, they give us flower instead of leaves. Yeah. that's the one. Okay. I'm so happy that I saw my moringa plant is growing, and there's a sign of we can get leaves soon. So I'll show you again here. And I'll